Parrots, with their vibrant plumage and remarkable intelligence, have captivated human fascination for centuries. These avian wonders belong to the Psittacidae family, comprising over 400 species. Renowned for their exceptional mimicry skills, some parrots, like the African gray, can imitate human speech with astounding accuracy, demonstrating a high level of cognitive ability. The key parrot of New Zealand stands out as the world's only alpine parrot, adapting to harsh mountain environments. On the other hand, the Kakapo, native to New Zealand, is flightless, nocturnal, and critically endangered, making it one of the rarest parrots globally. Parrots exhibit a range of vibrant colors, not just for visual appeal, but also for communication. These hues play a role in attracting mates and expressing emotions. Interestingly, the pigment responsible for red coloring in parrots' feathers is derived from their diet. Despite their charismatic image, parrots face serious threats due to habitat loss, illegal pet trade, and environmental changes. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these captivating creatures, allowing future generations to marvel at their beauty and intelligence.